Oh, babe, you're looking so sexy. Babe, how come you always have fun outfits on?
You don't have to wear makeup and do your hair.
When you're on YouTube?
Babe, I can't be on, like,
Oh, it's
come
happening.
on.
Oh, it's happening. Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And another episode of me looking disgusting.
Actually, this is gonna be called Drinking with Josh. And babe! Today, we are making, oh look, you can only see your eyes, one eye.
That's probably better.
What are we making, babe?
I'm putting together a watermelon cocktail for concerts in the park.
A watermelon cocktail. We can't drink at concerts in the park, so you have to say the word allegedly.
We're allegedly putting together.
Look at, we have dry cleaning in the back. Oh yeah, this is great. I tried to use the window for good lighting, but yeah. Okay, here we go. A thermos to conceal your watermelon. A watermelon, a food ninja, a blender, a B to my J, but the J is in the dishwasher. 2 cucumbers, some mint, a LaCroix, vodka, sugar. We're making our own simple syrup. Anyways, take a good gander, people. This is what we're making. Oh, that auto exposure. Hot mess coming in. Here we go. Everybody wants your secret homemade. Actually, your secret homemade simple syrup recipe is pretty legit.
It's not secret.
Okay, how do you make it go?
It's just basic.
Go ahead.
You do 1 part sugar to 1 part water.
Okay.
And then you boil it until it's clear.
Okay.
So we're doing 1/3 a cup because we're gonna have a gallon of drink. So I don't know that we'll use all of
Drink?
that,
A gallon of drink.
but a gallon of drink.
Babe, it's 12 o'clock, 12:21 in the afternoon and you're making a drink.
No, I'm making it for tonight though. So just like that,
And boil.
and then you're gonna boil it. We're gonna use
A whisk.
the way that you, I don't know how after 2 years, I still don't know which one's which. You wanna whisk it until it's clear, and then you let it boil for a minute. And then it's done, you let it cool.
I think CJ started a trend. He started the trend in the cooking community on YouTube of making cocktails. Now we're making a cocktail. And then not another cooking show made a watermelon, not cocktail, but refreshing drink. Now everybody has to make a cocktail drink. And shake the camera. Violently. Yeah, are you okay? Keep whisking. You're doing a great job. I love you.
Okay.
What did I say?
Are very silly. You just asked if I know how to cut a watermelon. I have children. Of course I know how to cut a watermelon.
What does children and watermelon have to do with each other?
Because any parent knows how to cut a watermelon. Do you know how to cut a watermelon?
I mean, I would just get the biggest knife and hack it down. Why you?
I know how to cut a lot of things, babe.
What? There's a sticker on there. You probably should have taken that off. Just saying.
You wanna cut it?
No, you're doing a great job.
Okay, so I'm gonna blend the watermelon.
How come you said my blender's bad?
It's really bad.
I'm gonna buy you a blender for your upcoming birthday.
No, I want Botox.
No, blenders.
No,
That also starts with a B.
Okay.
You didn't show us you cutting the jalapeno.
Okay,
you didn't
sorry.
show us cutting the cucumber. You're letting our 221 subscribers down, babe.
Okay, I'm sorry. So I cut this, I just cut
I'm just
3
joking,
pieces
babe.
to the jalapeno.
You're gonna need to bite that raw to make up for it now, though.
Okay, 1, 2, 3 little slices is all I want.
Okay.
And I want 4 cucumber pieces to 1/4 of a watermelon.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to take this and we're gonna triple it when we go back, but this is just to make like 2 drinks. So I'm going to drop the cucumbers in
Blender
there.
for your birthday?
Oh, and then the mint.
Did you put the jalapeno in already?
We need mint.
Did you put the cucumber?
Uh-huh.
You put the watermelon in.
I did
Now you're
watermelon.
putting the mint plant in.
Yeah.
In goes the mint.
In goes the mint.
Well, that smells nice.
A glass. So I've purchased a cheesecloth because of all of the kind of gritty stuff that comes with a watermelon. And I want to put it through this to keep it to get like just the juice.
To make a gallon of this, I feel like this is going to be very labor intensive. And it's
I told you this is going to be like a legit handmade cocktail. This is very full of love.
full of love. Just like me, babe.
So you're gonna hold that really tight.
Hold it really tight.
Yeah, hold it taut.
Hot. Don't let it go on the sides. Did you wash your hands?
Yeah. Thank you.
Babe needs a shot glass. Here you go, babe.
Babe,
What?
we're not, no. Come on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put a little bit of the LaCroix. And I'm using lime because we're doing all fruity, kind of fresh flavors. I'm gonna fill the glass up like about halfway. Okay. Half a teaspoon of simple syrup, my homemade simple syrup. So it's a little bit sweeter. Cucumber puree. Okay, maybe 1 ounce.
It's not a puree. Remember, we strained it with the cheesecloth.
The juice. Oops. Sorry.
I think we should have done less LaCroix and more watermelon.
Yeah. Well, that's the fun of trying it out first to see like the little things that we need to. And then we're gonna do 1 ounce of vodka.
This is just the experimental version. Once we get the mixture all done right, babe?
Yeah.
Then we're going to make a gallon of it
Right.
for tonight, allegedly. But yeah, this is like a refreshing. Oh, is that a pink straw for me?
Yeah.
Oh, do you want to put a little mint leaf and I'll take a final portrait picture now? A
Okay.
picture of all of us drinking it?
Yeah. Okay. Are you ready? Needs more watermelon. Definitely more spice. And a little more simple syrup.
And a lot less LaCroix. I hate that stuff. It's like sparkling water. More watermelon, more cucumber, more spice, more mint, a little bit more simple syrup, a lot less LaCroix, and maybe a little bit more vodka.
See, I think we
Sold
should-
for $1,000, Alex. And we'll put the whole recipe of what we finally figured out in the description below. But you get the idea of what we're trying to accomplish.
And it probably needs a little more simple syrup.
Ooh, more watermelon definitely makes it better.
Much better.
This is called Bartender School with Josh and Babe. It's good. Still needs more watermelon
So
and
if
more
we
mint
do-
and more cucumber. It probably needs to be
2
like
ounces of LaCroix.
Nah, the LaCroix kills it.
Okay, let's suck this down and we'll try again.
It's 12:45 in the afternoon on a Saturday.
I know, but we can't go to someone's house with a poorly made drink.
Okay.
Well, we can't go to someone's house if we've drank too much of that poorly made drink either.
Good point.
We'll just share one from here on out
Yeah.
to try it. Okay, so this was a total experiment. We just wanted to have something fun to take to our friend's barbecue tonight. So you get the idea. We've got watermelon, cucumber, jalapeno, vodka, mint. You want your bubbles. You can use soda water, but I like LaCroix because it has flavor. They have grapefruit LaCroix that may work great with it too. Homemade simple syrup. We'll put the exact ingredients. We'll put what we come up with in the end of how much you need of each ingredient. And happy summer. And like and subscribe.
That's right, babe. Like and subscribe, people. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like an hour of experimenting. And we almost got it down, but now babe's putting raw sugar in. I think that's probably good. That's probably good.
Okay.
So try this at home. Leave a comment below. Leave a comment below,
Change
babe.
anything to make it better, let us know.
Yeah, let us know so that we can make it again. If you guys make something like this, let us know. We'll work together as a YouTube team.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, everybody.